So today I'm going to show you how to record video without actually showing your face. And obviously I'm showing my face right now for the purpose of this video, but this is actually something very, very simple that you got to do. I'm going to kind of explain you how to do this. And again, it's going to be very, very simple. So with that being said, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified. So a lot of people don't want to show the face when they do the YouTube videos for whatever reason, but you still want to share some information. You still want to share some things that you do, right? So for this video, I'm kind of going to show you how to do this if you would have been doing a vehicle review, and obviously you can apply this information to other styles out there, maybe cooking, maybe news and things like that. Again, you could use this for many different styles. So I got my 2014 Chevy Silverado right here, and essentially what you're going to do is that you're going to record some footage that you can just overlay some of the voice over. And for instance, right here you could probably record some of the parking lot, maybe record a building right here, record some of the trees, record things like that, maybe some parts like that, kind of like to show the environment. And now what you want to do is that you want to do a really good recording of the entire truck, and maybe you can start here on the front and you record the grill right here, and you record all the important parts that you may want to, right? Maybe you record the wheels, you record the running boards, because you're gonna talk about this. You record the fact that this is a crew cab, so you have double doors right there. Maybe you want to record some of the extra accessories that you may have, something like a cover like this. You can also record some of the things that really makes it really cool about this, specifically this truck right here. It's like, for example, for me, it's gonna be this step right here. Obviously you can step on it and climb in the truck. I always think that's a really cool setup, right? Again, get pictures or get videos from every direction that you can. Obviously this direction right here, maybe directions out there like this, maybe some directions like here as well. And again, you can see the wheels and all that. Obviously I'm using a GoPro for this B-rolls that I'm recording, but you could use some special cameras like this 360 right here. I'm going to give you some look on how this look with the 360, just to see how can I kind of make the quality better. So here's the kicker. Once you record all this footage, you're going to edit all this out. You're going to put it really nicely in your editing software, and then you're going to come back and record your audio, and simply you're going to load the audio in top of the footage, right? You could record audio with anything. You could use a GoPro right here when you get home. You could use your cell phone, really good idea. Or you could just get a regular microphone. I am going to put some links down below on my audio setup that I have. And again, it's really crisp and it works really, really fantastic. So again, pretty simple. Record a bunch of footage and then put audio over. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.